Hi guys, I'm Chibi Tiff, or you can call me Tiff. I thought I'd make a video on how to create a daily check and redeem. Mine has a way to spit out random kittens, kitten breeds, so that's also an option. But I can walk you through the basic, and then if you want to do anything with random outputs, I can show you that too. Uh, this is assuming you have Streamer.bot, and I'm using the 1.0.7 version. I think it's the latest one. I'll post a link in the description where you could download that. But essentially, once you download Streamer.bot, you want to create, I think you have to create a Streamer.bot account, and then you want to connect Twitch or a platform of your choice. I'm using Twitch. So you go on the left side, go on the platforms, Twitch, under accounts, make sure that you connect your Twitch account. Then go to channel point rewards. For purposes of this video, I'm gonna show you how I do mine is daily kitten. So, for you to add one, you right click in the box and you hit create reward. And so you could reward name, you could put daily, whatever. Mine's daily kitten. I think by default it's already enabled. You could put a description, choose your color. I decided to do redemption skips queue, so you don't have to check off that you completed the reward. Just does it automatically once someone redeems the reward. Cost I put 1, max 1 per user per stream, so only each person can only redeem once per stream. And you want to turn persistent user counter. You can create your own group. I just left it blank. And then you want to click save. Then go to actions and queues on the left. Go to actions. Now to add an action, you right click in the box and click add. I just kept it simple. I named it daily kitten. I created a group called Twitch Channel Redeems. You can name it whatever you want, or you don't have to name it at all if you don't want it in a group. I have these all unchecked. Hit OK. Now under triggers, I just search channel redeem. And it's this one called Twitch Channel Reward Redemption. So you click on that. I already have one. So once you click on that, I named the daily kitten. Oh no, you choose daily kitten, the one you just made in the channel redeems. You click OK. Then in sub actions, we're gonna search all of these and add each one. So this one, it's called Twitch add target info, but when you search for it, it's actually called Twitch user get user info for target. And once you find that, you want to type in percentage user percentage. Okay. Then the next one you want to add is, you want to search for core globals global set. Set this to user redeemer. Have these both turned on. I named mine kitten. You can name it whatever you want. Increment 1. So every time someone redeems it, it would add 1 to the previous count they had. Then the next one you want to add is core globals get source user redeemer persisted. Variable name, it would be the same one as the one you created before. Destination variable, I called mine kitten counter. Default, you can leave this blank and hit OK. I'm gonna skip this for now. This is the random like cat breeds. You don't have to do that. So if there's no randomization, you can skip to the next one. You can add a sound if you want. You don't need to, but if you do want to play a sound, you search up the core sounds, play sound, or you search up play sound. And the audio output device, mine's on application default. I checked use file name, or you can name it if you decide not to use a file name. And then you find the path where you find the sound source wherever you saved it, if you have one. And mine's at volume 100%. Now when someone redeems the daily, you want to send a message to channel and send it to like the chat, Twitch chat. So mine, it's called, you'd have to type these are the variables. User, percent adopted, percent breed, percent kitten, and then if you want it to spit out how many kittens they adopted, or just the counter, how many times they redeemed it, it's percentage and then kitten counter percent. And that is what the kitten counter was, what we created here. Wait, the breed, I see. Okay, the percentage breed percent, that was created when I did the randomization. If you don't do the random, you don't need it. You could just say percent user redeemed percent counter percent times or whatever. Okay, so if you do want a random, want it to spit out something random, like let's say it's not cat breeds, it's like different types of snacks, you can add this sub action. You'll have to find the read random line from file. First create in Notepad, create, let's say you want, each line would be a separate snack. Like the first line would be chips, the second candy, and so on. You'll save that somewhere on your computer, and you'll find it and put it here, and then name it, give it a variable. I name my breed. For snacks, you could do snacks or something unique, not the same as the other variables you used in the previous sub actions. And then this will be count 1. All these are unchecked. Hit OK. So if you want to use that variable name you just created, you go back to the Twitch message and put the percentage and then the variable name percentage sign. I haven't tested to see if this worked as of this video, but I wanted to know, I want Streamer.bot to play a message when someone hits 100 kittens. So I added a if else, I believe, do if this core logic if else, and it'll give this line. I think if else. Yeah, so if you click on that, this pops up, and I did it, the input would be counter. So if the counter equals 100, it will play a sound. I chose yippee. if false, it doesn't do anything. So I don't know if it works yet because I haven't tested it out yet. Or no one since I've added this, no one has hit 100 yet. But hopefully it works. Now to test this, you want to right click the trigger and test trigger. Now see that it worked. It just pulled up a random person that they adopted a Thai kitten, and kittens adopted one. But yeah, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, or you can also check me out on twitch.tv chibi-tiff. It's also in the description. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.